G'day guys, this is Big T. I've got a Mr. Navara in the workshop this morning. The customer's had a collision with a kangaroo, done a bit of damage to the front of the vehicle. Now this is the reason why we install bull bars, for the safety of yourself and your family. Now this morning, the customer will be getting an elite Rockarmor bull bar fitted to his vehicle, so he'll have that extra safety when he's out and about. Now I've gone ahead, I've stripped the front of the vehicle, all the way down to the chassis. I've removed all the little plastics that are going to be in my way. Disconnected the lights there. So the next step, I've got my cradle ready. I've got all my nuts and bolts out. So it's going to just make it a little bit easier for me when I fit. Now to start, the kit comes with one of these rods. Now this goes into the driver's side only. Only one rod in the kit. So I've just threaded that through the chassis there. Now you'll see the bolt hanging down out of the hole at the rear. Now this bolt's going to be inserted in the front, but not yet, once I get the cradle on. Now I'm just going to be putting the winch cradle on. Now just watch that bolt that we've put into the chassis there. Spin that over. I'm just going to be putting one bolt on either side just to hold it. Once I've got the cradle on, now I'm going to get the support brackets and install them. Now I've just put 2 bolts on either side just to hold the cradle in place. Now once it's in place, I'm just going to get these support brackets here, and they mount from the back of the cradle as so, one on either side, and then get bolted together. Now install the bracket on the outside. Now this bracket just simply slots down on the inside of the chassis. Same as before. Just put the bolt through, flat spring nut. Now just inserting the nuts and bolts on the bottom of the chassis there. Now once you've mounted those 2 support brackets there, you'll see there's 3 mounting points on the side of the chassis. Just with the longer bolts, just slide them through and fix them on the other side. Now I've got the cradle on the vehicle, I've got the 2 mounting support brackets in place, all the nuts and bolts are in. Now just center the cradle with the vehicle, do up all your nuts and bolts, then you can get stuck into your wiring. Now once that's done, this is the time to mount your winch if you're going to install a winch. Just a quick mention there, just with the Rockarmor bull bars, you'll see these extra braces and you'll see the lips that I've installed on the Rockarmor winch cradles. Now that's just to give you extra strength on the bull bar and just to minimize the vibration. So I'll just put the bar on the cradle now. Before I put the bar on, I put the eyebrows in place. Just makes it easier. Once you put the bar on, you see it just fits straight up. It's a complete bumper replacement. You've got 3 bolts on either side. Just put those in and away we go. Now in the fitting kit, you've got 3 bash plates, one for the left hand side, one on the right and one in the center. 10 mils with your spring and flat. Simply just fits up to the bull bar. The nut set's already inside the bull bar, and just simply just mount them on. In your fitting kit, you'll find 2 of these plates. They've got nut certs already, and they simply just mount into the bash plates there and screw up as so. Okay, I've got all my bolts in. Everything's hand tight. Now just with the 10 mil, just go through and knit them all up. The bar's on, everything's complete, bash plates are all tight. Last thing to do is now just put the grill back in place. Now there you go, there's a Rockarmor bull bar fitted to the NP300. It's a very straightforward fit and a peace of mind for the person that's going to be driving this vehicle, for him and his family, that they'll have that protection while they're driving off-road. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more Rockarmor and Aussie off-road videos for all your 4-wheel drive needs. See you on the tracks.